Planets. An exoplanet is a planet that's outside of our solar system. So it orbits another star, and if there's more than one exoplanet around a star, then we have a solar system other than our own. Why bother looking at this? Well, remember we had talked about nebular theory being the accepted scientific explanation that we have for the formation of the solar system. It's the most reasonable account we have scientifically of the formation of the solar system, and the reasons we have to believe it is because it explains many of the previously known observations of the solar system, like its flatness and the prograde motion. And then when it was tested, it successfully predicted many new observations, such as the rotation of other nebulae in space and the appearance of protoplanetary disks with clumping inside it to make planets and protostars. We also saw that if we combine nebular theory with kinetic molecular theory, then we could explain the structure of our solar system with the small rocky planets that are all close to the sun, the large gas giants that are all far from the sun, and we saw that the difference can be explained by how fast the gas particles are moving in a particular region of the solar system based on the temperature due to the distance from the sun. But we also mentioned that the nebular theory is based only on observations of our own solar system and other nebulae, but no other solar systems. So the search was on for quite a while to look for other solar systems to see if they looked the same way that our solar system looks, to confirm nebular theory as the formation of solar systems in general. So the question is, can we find other solar systems? Well, this is a very, very challenging task because planets, as you know, are very small. They don't give off their own light. And so they're very difficult to find. In 1930, we found Pluto. And we basically found it by accident because we compared star fields, photographs of star fields taken at different times, and you remember that the word planet actually means wanderer because the planets move against the background stars. And an astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh noticed that there was a tiny little star-like object that actually moved. These two stars here are these two stars, and in one photo it's way over here on the left of that pair of stars, and a month or so later it had moved to the other side of that pair of stars. And so that tiny little point was Pluto, which we no longer call a planet, but this is in our own solar system. Imagine trying to find something this size in a solar system around a star that's tens or hundreds of light years away. Well, we can't. We cannot take photographs and images of exoplanets and directly see them. So how do we go about finding them? There are two major methods, and in the next video, we'll look at the first of those two methods.